Once upon a time, in a small, sunny town, there was a little boy named Leo. Leo loved to draw. He drew on paper. He drew on the sidewalk with chalk. He even drew on his bedroom wall, but his mom was not happy about that. But Leo had one big problem. He wanted to speak English, but the words were very difficult. He could say hello and goodbye, but that was all. He felt sad. He wanted to have friends from all over the world. One afternoon, Leo was walking home from school. He saw a small, old shop he never saw before. The sign above the door said, "Magical Things." Leo was curious. He opened the door. Ding dong, went a little bell. Inside, the shop was full of interesting things, shiny globes, old books, and funny toys. An old woman with a kind smile walked up to him. "Hello, young man," she said. "Are you looking for something special?" Leo pointed to a dusty box on a high shelf. In the box was a simple, wooden paintbrush. "Ah," said the old woman. "A very good choice. This is no ordinary paintbrush. This is a magical paintbrush." Leo bought the paintbrush with his pocket money. He ran home to his room. He took out a big, white paper. What should he draw first? He decided to draw a big, red apple. He dipped the brush in red paint and carefully drew an apple. Swish, swish went the brush. Suddenly, a voice said, "Hello, I am an apple." Leo jumped. The apple on the paper was moving. It was real. The apple spoke again. "I am red and juicy. Would you like a bite?" Leo was amazed. He understood the words. They were simple and clear. He said, "Yes, please." He learned the words red, juicy, and bite. The next day, Leo was very excited. He wanted to draw something bigger. He drew a happy, fluffy dog. Swish, swish went the magical brush. "Woof, woof," said the dog, jumping off the paper. "Hello, I am a dog. I'm happy. Do you want to play?" Leo laughed. "Yes, let's play." He learned the words dog, happy, and play. Leo and the dog played fetch in the garden. The dog would say, "Throw the ball." "Good throw." Leo learned more and more words every day. Leo loved his new friends. He drew a cat, a big sun, and a tall tree. His room was full of talking animals and things. It was wonderful. But then a problem happened. Leo drew a huge rain cloud because he was hot. Swish, swish went the brush. "Hello, I am a cloud," said the cloud. Then, it started to rain inside his room. Drip, drop, drip, drop. "Oh no," cried Leo. "Stop, please." But the cloud did not stop. The room was getting very wet. The dog was barking. The cat was hiding. The apple was floating in a puddle. It was a big, wet mess. Leo didn't know the word to make it stop. He felt scared. Leo thought hard. He had to help his friends. He remembered the words he learned. He looked at the cloud and said, "Cloud, please, stop." The cloud stopped raining. "Okay," it said softly. "Thank you," said Leo. He learned the words stop and thank you. But the room was still a mess. He had another idea. He drew a big, yellow sun. Swish, swish went the brush. "Hello, I am the sun. I am bright and warm," said the new sun. The sun shone brightly in the room. The water started to dry. The floor became dry. The dog and the cat were warm and happy. The apple was dry and shiny again. "Hooray," everyone said. Leo learned the word hooray. That evening, Leo sat in his clean, warm room. He was surrounded by his magical friends. He wasn't scared or sad anymore. He was confident. He could talk to them. He could say, "Dog, let's play ball," or "Cat, are you sleepy?" or "Apple, you are delicious." The magic wasn't just in the paintbrush. The magic was in the words. The paintbrush helped him learn by doing and playing. The next day at the park, he saw a girl from his class. She was from another country and was learning English too. She looked lonely. Leo felt brave. He walked over to her and said, "Hello, my name is Leo. Do you want to play?" The girl smiled a big smile. "Yes, thank you." Leo didn't need the magical paintbrush anymore. He had the greatest gift of all, the ability to make a friend using a new language. He still loved to draw, but now he loved to talk even more.